This unboxing video is of the Sierra Wireless AirLink RX55. This is a small but mighty router. It's perfect for industrial applications and in harsh environments. It has a MIL-STD810G rating for shock, vibration, thermal shock, and humidity. It also includes a vehicle-grade power supply and is Class 1 Div 2 certified. First up in the box is some information about AirLink Complete. This covers the hardware warranty, tech support, and cloud management via AirLink Management Service, or a LMS for short. This is included for the first year. Then we have a quick start guide. The modem itself is made of a rugged metal that is IP64 rated. On the one side, we have our dual SIM slots, which are covered by this screwed-in piece, along with the Wi-Fi antenna ports. There's also a model available without Wi-Fi support. We have LED indicators, too, that give us power, cellular, Wi-Fi, and GPS statuses. Models come with a Cat7 LTE-A modem that includes support for Band 71 and CBRS. It has been certified with all major U.S. networks and supports public networking like Band 14 and FirstNet. These modems require a main and diversity antenna connection, which you'll find on the other side. We also have the GPS or GNSS port here. Alongside that is the DC power port that supports GPIO and a gigabit Ethernet port for local access. There's the RS232 port that supports options for a dual serial for connecting legacy equipment and CAN bus for telemetry capabilities, which is only on the Wi-Fi model. Then we have a micro-B, USB 2.0 port for alternative local access to the device or serial support. On the bottom is where the device label is located with details like the serial number, IMEI, and default password. We have a few divots here too that help with dispersing heat. The next thing we have here is some washers and screws for mounting the modem. And lastly, there's the 4-pin DC hardwire supply for ground, power, GPIO, and ignition sense. That's it on our unboxing of the Sierra Wireless RX55. We hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.